what happens if your kidney is not working properly? That's, I guess, the question that basically tells us about the symptoms of chronic kidney disease. Basically, we have to understand that the kidneys have different functions. They balance the amount of liquid of water that's present in the body. They also regulate the electrolytes and the filtration of toxins, either by releasing more of these toxins to the urine or keeping. I know it sounds weird when I say keep some toxins, not releasing them, but of course we can mention here some medications, some drugs that might be considered toxins, but of course for us doctors, we use it as therapeutical. So of course, the kidney, sometimes we have to play with that in order to know the effect that a medication is going to take, is going to do. And the third thing the kidney does is regulate and produce certain hormones. So if we understand these three functions of the kidney, then we start knowing what symptoms kidney damage or kidney disease will cause. Of course, when we talk about liquid balance, basically you can either show dehydration or fluid retention, which is actually more common. So obviously, and I showed this last webinar, but of course you start seeing edema, which is the swelling of different parts of the body. It's more common in the feet, like I said before in the past webinar. It's because gravity basically takes that liquid to the feet. And if you put your finger there for a while, you can see that that print will still be there. This also happens in the lower eyelid, and it's usually some swelling that happens in the morning, and that as the day goes by, it gets better. When we talk about the filtration of electrolytes and toxins, then if the kidney is not working properly, those will accumulate in the body, producing arrhythmias that can lead to cardiac arrest or confusion, because these toxins, of course, go to the brain and prevents it from doing the functions properly. And with hormones, of course, we can see that the blood pressure starts to rise, both because you are retaining some fluids and also because the hormones that regulate the blood pressure are controlled by, well, in a certain way, by the kidneys. Also vitamin D and a hormone that is called erythropoietin, it's produced in the kidneys, which basically, when it's not working properly, might lead to osteoporosis or to anemia, because the EPO, the last hormone I talked about, gives the signal to the blood, to the bone marrow to start producing red blood cells. So if it's not working properly, of course, that's what's going to happen. You're going to have anemia.